So if you don't want to hire a contractor to do maintenance for your AC system, there's 4 easy step instruction how you can do it by yourself. To start, you need to locate your thermostat and we need to turn on the system. Go to a menu, make sure it's on cool mode, and the system starts. Give it 5, maybe even 10 minutes to start it off, and then we're gonna go to measure the temperature. The main sign that your AC working well is to measure the temperature. Locate your vent, use a temperature gun. So here it's blowing around 50 degrees, which is fine because it's not really hot here at the moment. If you don't have the temperature gun, just put your hand there, and if you feel pretty cold air coming, then most likely everything is good. If your temperature gun showing more than 60 degrees or you don't feel any cold air, there is a sign that your AC has an issue. It might be a refrigerant leak or maybe some of the parts are out. The next step is to replace your air filter. Air filter can be located where the return, it may be where the unit is, in the garage. In our case, it's in the attic. To understand the air filter size, filter is 16 by 25 by 4 inches. Our filter here located in the attic, so we'll go upstairs. So we are in the attic. There are a lot of insulation. So we're removing the old filter. The filter needs to be replaced every 6 months. So you can see the difference here. You see the old and new filter. Some homeowners don't replace the filter for years. So make sure you maintain your system properly. Before we go outside, make sure to turn off your system from the main panel. In this panel, the unit is for 35. We just turn it off and we go to take care of outdoor unit. The next step, we need to take care of our outdoor unit. Also, you can open the indoor panel and check electrical connections. Just remove the cap. So here you can see our electronic components. If you don't see any signs of burnt wires or anything damaged, most likely everything is good. However, if you notice something, you definitely need to call a professional. If you want to clean inside the unit, use a screwdriver and just unscrew the top cover. Carefully remove the top like that, and you can just clean inside. So after you're done with cleaning, put the cover back and make sure the blades are positioned properly, because otherwise if you start the unit, oh my god, I don't know what may happen. If you want to clean the condenser coil, you will need wiper coil cleaner. You can use any actually. All you need to do is start applying the solution. After you're done applying the solution, just rinse with the water. We are done. After we're done with the maintenance, make sure to turn the system on. So we are done. Now our AC unit is ready for the summer. If you need professionals, call IRBIS. With IRBIS, your comfort hunt is over.